Alright, how's everybody doing? My name is Ishaan and welcome to the 5-minute series where we take a stock and break down its full technical analysis and exact strategies to profit off the stock, along with important news that you need to know about. So today we're going to be talking about good old Palantir stock, and with that being said, let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals for Palantir in this hourly chart, things are looking really bullish. As you can see, the stock was forming higher highs and higher lows, which is a bullish reversal pattern. But after, if you take a look at what's been happening recently, we can see that the stock is forming a descending, broadening wedge. So it's not exactly lower lows and lower highs. It's getting broader and broader, and this again is a bullish reversal pattern that shows that sellers aren't able to force the conventional lower low and lower high pattern, and that buyers are able to cause larger swings to the upside. And if you also zoom in a little closer, it also looks like we're forming a double bottom right here about this 24.4 level. Yesterday we bottomed at 24.4, and today again we're retesting that same level and trying to really hold it, and we're bouncing. So that is also looking really bullish. Double bottoms show that buyers are willing to commit to that new level of support and are looking to bounce from there. And if I actually remove this bottom trend line right over here, it also looks like we're forming a descending triangle. As you can see, it's getting tighter and tighter in this range with a horizontal support line at 24.4. So as I'll say again, descending triangles and any other triangles can go either way. It's all about waiting for confirmation and waiting to see which way it breaks. Does it break higher or does it break lower? If you buy in before, you're basically gambling and hoping that it goes one way. And that's why confirmation is so key. Real quick, just as I was editing this video, the stock ended up breaking below this descending triangle and breaking below this 24.4 level, which is pretty bearish. However, not all hope is lost. If the stock can still manage to break back above this 24.4 level in the next couple of days and then break above this resistance line, there's still potential for a bullish reversal higher. However, if the stock pushes up and then turns this level into resistance and then continues lower, that will be really bearish and show that bears have taken control. So this is why even earlier in the video I was really stressing the importance of waiting to see how these triangles play out, because again, if you jump in too early, you're just gambling and hoping that the stock goes a certain way. And then we can see that it also looks like the red MACD line is beginning to cross below the green signal line, also signaling that the momentum is shifting in favor of the bears. But as I'll discuss in my price target, I'll give you guys both levels to watch if the stock does end up going higher or if the stock does end up dropping lower. So now that I've broken down the technicals in depth, let me talk about my price target and the exact strategies to profit. So if this stock breaks above this top resistance line, that will be the final confirmation of the reversal, and I will be looking to buy heavy into that, because as we can see, it's been a continuous resistance for quite some time now. So a break above will result in a lot of other buyers and institutions stepping up. And if the stock ends up going higher, I could easily see the stock heading up to about this $27 level where we peaked out right over here, and in this general area right over here in the short term. And if it breaks above this $27 level, then I could easily see the stock heading all the way up to 27.7 where we peaked out right over here. Now if the stock ends up breaking lower, which is totally possible, you have to be able to anticipate every scenario. Now if the stock breaks below this support line, I could see the stock heading all the way down to about this 23.4 level where we had a lot of support in this general area over here. If we break below that level, then I could see the stock heading down to about this 22.3 level where we bottomed over here, and right over here as well. So those are the key levels to watch, and again, it's all about can we break above this top resistance line. And so guys, remember, if you want to learn technical analysis for yourself, be sure to check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you learn all these different trends so that you can become more profitable and make better entry and exit points. And now let's talk about some of the things that Palantir's CEO said that's really changed my whole view on the stock. So I've always been a long-term believer in Palantir. I was very fortunate to buy shares when it was around $30 and $15, and I made multiple videos breaking down the company's fundamentals and why I believe in them. But recent news by the CEO and some of the words he said just makes me a whole lot more bullish. If you scroll lower to what Alex Karp said, he said Palantir's focus is still the same no matter who its shareholders are. We're in this for the long haul. If you're speculating or you're thinking about this short term, there are plenty of other things to invest in. If you want something else, it's a huge world. Buy some other stock. You don't have to buy Palantir. No one is forcing you. And so this really shows that management isn't really worried about the short term, and that's something I really like to see. The fact of the matter is that you need to reinvest back into the business so that even 10 years from now, you're still just as competitive as you are today. The more focus that they have on the long term, the greater upside the stock will have as well. So this just makes me a whole lot more bullish. So guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, and let me know your thoughts on Palantir stock. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.